टू CMG क्रिप्टो मनी लवर क्रिप्टो मनी गुरु में आपका स्वागत है दोस्तों वंस अगेन एंड टुडे ऑल द मार्केट क्रिप्टो मार्केट राइट नाउ इज bleeding and you can see that market it is down. Overall crypto market is down at 2.97%. It's 2.37 trillion right now, and Bitcoin down is 4.22%. Ethereum, which was earlier in the morning, it was around more than 4100 USD, but right now it's below the 4000 mark, and people right now selling all the crypto assets, mostly people, and cashing the money. So, and Cardano is also down 6%, XRP is down at 6%, Polkadot down at near about 9%, and many only 6 Stellar is up around 8.57%, and Shibcoin, I don't like it. I don't know what it will do. And most coins are down 10 to 15% around. This BitTorrent is down at more than 12%. And on the other side, you can say it's a buying opportunity for all of you. You can get, if you want to invest for a long time, you can get your altcoins like VeChain, like Harmony at very low price right now. It's a buying opportunity, but all the crypto market is down, and as by my prediction, it will go down some more, and in today evening, another dip will come as per my prediction. So be ready to pick your loved one coins like Anchor, Verge, Bakery is also right now down. It's a crypto market, baby. No one can predict, no one can know but when it will come down. But as per my view, if you are a long time investor, then you can make good money, and you have to be careful when choosing your jam. And right now I am talking about a Nervous Network. I bought it around when it was at 2 cent, but right now you can see all the market is down right now. Nervous Network is it's a blockchain. Its rank is number 108 right now, and today only this one is the coin after SHIB. SHIB I have not studied yet, but today it is the only one who is in the upside, and upside is more than 42%, 43%. You can see the live price, and I believe that it is good pick, and you can see that more than 43% it is up. And Nervous Network is a blockchain. What we say, you can see decentralized and sustainable to be the nervous system to the future economy. Secure and decentralized, sustainable store of value, layer 1 built for layer 2. And it's you can launch it's you're on you see this Polychain Capital portfolio, Binance Chain Capital portfolio, and it's a proof of stake. You can launch your contracts on it also. And why a blockchain platform for universal applications. You can launch your crypto related applications on this blockchain. And as you know, all over the world, crypto market is attracting the people the developers to develop more and more applications, attracting people to invest in the crypto blockchains and crypto coins. And this system provide a system where you can launch your application. That's why in this bleeding market, in this market, this you can see the live trades. It touched more than 4 cent, and right now it is around 3.5 cent. You can see it is increasing. Bulls are in control of this coin, and this is the only one which is in the green right now. Other all the crypto coins right now bleeding, you can see. So pick your good tokens and who support you in the bleeding market. It's a crypto, but if you are a good long term investor, then I have some suggestions, but it's your money. I am not a financial advisor. It's your money. You have to be careful about your money. But my pick of the day right now in this bleeding market will be uh, just is a good investment for long time. These all I am telling you for long time, not for short period of time. So if you are planning to be for long time in the market, then Polymath is a good investment, and crypto.com is a good investment. Verge is a good investment for future. Ontology is a good investment. One Harmony is a good investment. VeChain is a good investment. Hola Hot is a good investment. Reef is a good investment. It's a blockchain. Reef is a good investment. Stores is a good investment because it's provide you decentralized crypto, decentralized storage space, and S&T will be good investment for you if you want to make money. And Nervous, yes, obviously it's a good investment. You can see that it's more than 45% up right now, and I pick you top. DGB is a good investment. I already have DGB. It's a good investment, and yes, Cardano. It's already always is good investment. VeChain is good investment. Uh, these I am telling you the coins which are below the $100. Mostly coins are below the $100 mark. Polymatic is good investment. Earlier when around 1 week ago I suggested you to buy it around 50 cent when it was 50 cent, but it is also attractive investment for future. And NEM is a good investment. Talcoin is good investment in this bleeding market. It is also 20% up. Chill is a good investment for you in future. Zilliqa is good investment for you in future. And Hot I already told you in good investment. But if you get it around 1 cent, then it will be good investment for you. But right now it's more than 1 cent and 2 penny and 1.2 cent. Yes, you can see it. Ontology is a good investment. When it was around 180 I recommended it, and even in this bleeding market right now it is on $2.38. But today it is also down. You can pick it, but make your own decision. Theta Fuel, T-Fuel is a good investment. I brought it around when it was at I think 27 cent. Yes. Digibyte is good investment for you. Sia Coin, I already told you it is good investment, but when you get it around 2.5 cent, it is decentralized storage space provider. And then the Harmony, this one is good pick for you, but if you get it around 9 cent or 10 cent, it is good investment for you in future. And Anchor is good investment. Verge is good. Verge XVG is good investment. Verge is from the present in the market from the last uh, crypto bull run in from the 2017. Yes, these are my picks. And CKB Nervous Network, I already told you it's a good investment for you, and it's around right now 3.2 cent right now, and will make you good money in future as the blockchain is developing. People are launching their blockchain related applications by using this blockchain. This is increasing day by day, and as I think in today night another dip will come, but do your own research, because no one can predict surely about it, about the crypto market. It's when whales move, they shake the market. They just shake the market. Yes. So today, a whale sold their Ethereum. So the Ethereum price came to, I think it came to around, yes, it's 24-hour price. Yes, you can see. So please like the channel, share the video, and please share this video on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, so other can take benefit from this video, and make a good comment and subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Bye bye.